Welcome to our channel. If your Blu-ray player displays a no-disc error, follow these step-by-step instructions to clean the laser lens and resolve common disc reading issues. Step 1. Power off your Blu-ray player and unplug it from the electrical outlet to ensure safety during the cleaning process. Step 2. Locate the disc tray and manually open it using the eject button or the small emergency eject hole if the tray won't open automatically. Step 3. Inspect the disc tray area for any visible dust, debris, or foreign objects that might be blocking the laser lens or disc mechanism. Step 4. Purchase a Blu-ray laser lens cleaning disc from an electronics store, which contains tiny brushes designed to clean the internal lens safely. Step 5. Insert the cleaning disc into the player, close the tray, and power on the device to run the automatic cleaning cycle. Step 6. Follow the instructions included with the cleaning disc, which typically involve letting the disc run for a few minutes to remove dust particles. Step 7. Remove the cleaning disc and test your Blu-ray player with a regular disc to see if the no-disc error has been resolved. Step 8. If the problem persists, contact the manufacturer for professional service as the laser lens may require advanced repair or replacement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.